My Generac 16 kW has a low oil pressure 1300 code. We are checking the oil pressure now.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Generac tool or machine? How old is it?
It was about 2 years and it's approximately 2014.
How long has this been going on with your Generac? What have you tried so far?
It just started 10 minutes ago and we checked the oil.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Not anything else that I'm aware of.
Hi, my name is. Sorry you are having this issue. Let me know how the oil level is.
We need to add oil. We have 1030 multiple, is that okay?
Okay, hopefully that is the issue. You can use 5 to 30 or 1030. Yes, add slowly, it doesn't take that much.
Okay, adding now. Okay, has adding. Thank you so much, Kay. Appreciate your help. We're in New Orleans and we need this. Has added and checking levels now.
I could only imagine what the city is going through.
I apologize, my phone died. Hopefully it will stay.
It's the generator working fine now?
It's working.
Great. Remember, every 8 hours of running, shut it down and check the oil. Those units do burn oil, is normal for them to do. And if possible, let the generator rest for 1-2 hours a day if possible.
Ma'am, it is. Thank you so much. My husband was in the middle of his at-home dialysis when it stopped.
Well, I'm glad you guys got it running again.
Thanks. Hi Ariel, our generator worked fine for a while. My husband changed the oil and filter today, but it stopped again. Now even with full oil it starts but doesn't stay on. Help please. Good evening. We are having Generac problems again. Can you help us?
Hi, sorry, does the generator have any new alarms on the controller?
Oh hello. No, it still says low oil. He changed the oil today and put in new. It ran for about 7 hours and before we could turn it off it went off. AMD now won't stay started.
Did he check the oil again?
It says full.
You can disconnect the oil pressure sender. Should be by the oil filter. And see if it stays running.
Okay. Let me tell him.
No, be aware if the engine does have low oil pressure and disconnecting the sensor is going to bypass the safety shutdown and engine damage could happen.
Okay, now it says it's trying to connect to Wi-Fi, but without it we don't have Wi-Fi.
You can cancel that.
How do you cancel the Wi-Fi, and also how do we cancel the low oil pressure? It's okay, we will work on it tomorrow. He's gotten too tired now to deal with ear.
Not a problem. The Wi-Fi, you should be able to hit escape or enter to bypass it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.